Good morning. Right, it's a week since I came to shoot the Bluebells and went away disappointed because they didn't seem to appear well on the images. So this morning I've come back to Brandelhow Park or Brandelhow Wood to try again. Yeah, it's a week later, but the Bluebells are much bigger, they're more in bloom, so hopefully we'll get much better pictures today. If we don't, this video will never see the light of day, but hopefully we'll see much better pictures. I've come in the morning as well, hopefully the light will be better, whereas last time it was late evening. So what we're going to try and do is take more or less 4 identical pictures to last time, if I can remember where I took them, and we'll see how we get on, and then we can compare them on the video. So anyway, I'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, here's the first scene that we shot last time. Whether I've got the camera in the identical place, but hopefully you can see from the video there's a lot more well, not more bluebells, I'm sure there's not more, but how they are more prominent. They're standing above the grass rather than being disappearing, and as the light changes, yeah, it's quite impressive. So we're going to take the shot now. As you'll see from the back of the camera, f11 as normal, 100 ISO in an 1/8 of a second. So we're going to take the shot and we'll see what we end up with. But what I was going to do was put up last week's shot first and then this week's shot, just so you can compare the two and see what a difference it makes. So alright, anyway, I'll see you a bit later. Right, we've come to the second composition. As you can see, you can see from the video, the bluebells are a lot more prominent than they were last time. So, I mean, I may even come back in I won't video it, but I may even come back in another week's time and see what they're like, just to get some comparison pictures. But yeah, with the dappled light as well from the sun coming through, it's quite nice. So yeah, I've taken different exposures from f4 up to f11. Just trying to focus right in on the close ones and everything else out to blur, and at f11 just at the far distance out to blur. But whichever is best. Again, we'll put up last week's shot and we'll put up this week's, so you can compare the two and see, as in the title of the video, what a difference a week makes. Anyway, we'll see you shortly. Right, we've got to the next spot. The sun's maybe getting a little harsh now. You can see the shadows from the trees when it comes out. But certainly the bluebells are certainly more vibrant. As you can see from the back of the camera, back to the standard f11 100 ISO, and this time with a 1/6 of a second. Although the latter shot, when the sun got a bit brighter, took it with a 1/10 of a second. So, as with the previous ones, we'll see how it comes out, and we'll put it up and compare it with the one from last week. So we'll go for a little bit more of a wander, see if I can remember where I took the 4th composition, and we'll see you a little later. Right, we've come to the 4th spot where I did a composition. So again, on the video I can, even though it's got a small screen, I can see the prominence of the bluebells. As you can see, the last shot I took, don't know whether you can see from the back of the camera, it was f11 100 ISO and 1/15 of a second. So yeah, once again we'll put up last week's and compare it with this week's. So yeah, it'd be nice to get them on the computer and actually compare them. So we'll see how they do. So I'll see you shortly. Right, we're going to call it a day for this video. It might be a little bit shorter than the last few, but I'm not quite sure with showing 2 sets of pictures both last week and this for comparison purposes. But yes, please comment below. All comments much appreciated. Someone commented on last week's video that I seem to be rushing past the pictures, so we'll dwell a little bit longer. When panning across them it will be a little bit slower, so hopefully that'll give more enjoyment. And certainly if you have enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up. It is much appreciated and is great for the channel. And also, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. And when I continue to try to put out one video a week, yeah, it's just trying to show you what you can find particularly in the Lake District, although there will be videos from elsewhere. 5 weeks today. I'll be on my, by this time, well no, actually I'll be heading down to Manchester Airport. I was going to say I'll be on a plane, but I fly 5 weeks tomorrow, so. But off to Iceland again. Very different from in January going in the summer, so we'll hopefully get some great pictures there. But anyway, I'm starting to ramble, so anyway, we'll see you on the next video.